Giggles and grapes.
Hello guys! Let's see how many superheroes can you guess in the given 3 seconds. Level 1. Good luck. Time's up. This is Ant-Man. Time's up. This is Spider-Man. Time's up. This is Thor. Time's up. This is Iron Man. Time's up. This is Falcon. Time's up. This is Batman. Time's up. This is Rocket Raccoon. Time's up. This is Hulk. Time's up. This is Wolverine. Well done. Buckle up, kids. It's about to get tough now. Level 2. Hard but not impossible. Time's up. This is Captain America. Time's up. This is Groot. Time's up. This is Jessica Jones. Time's up. This is Miss Marvel. Time's up. This is Venom. Time's up. This is Korg. Time's up. This is Nighthawk. Time's up. This is Deadpool. Bingo! The final round is about to begin. Let's go. Level 3. Last chance to score. Time's up. This is Enchantress. Time's up. This is Quicksilver. Time's up. This is Xavier. Time's up. This is Emir. Time's up. This is Ultron. Time's up. This is Zeus. Time's up. This is Pyro. Time's up. This is Odin. Time's up. This is Loki. How many superheroes were you able to guess? Let us know. Till then, juniors, take care.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.